Today the topic of our lesson is conditionals. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of conditionals, but today we are going to take only 2 types, first conditional and second conditional. Let's start with the first. First conditional sentence is a sentence with a real possibility, and when we talk about the future, real and future. These are 2 words, 2 key words that we should keep in our mind when we want to express first condition. So let's take an example. If the weather is sunny, we will have a picnic. So this is a complex sentence because it has 2 subjects, the weather and we. These are subjects, and we have 2 verbs, is and will have. That's why we can divide this sentence into 2 parts. The first part is called if clause. If clause. Instead of if, I can use when or until or unless. All of them are possible to use. The second part is called main clause. Why is it main clause? Because it gives you the main information, the gist of the sentence. That's why we can call it as main. Now let's figure out and work out the structure of this sentence and find out which tense is it. So in the first, let's check with red. If plus the weather is subject, then is, this is verb. The verb, as we can see, this is verb 1 with s or es ending depending on the subject. The second part, we, this is subject, then will, auxiliary verb, and verb 0. So which tenses are these? Of course, this is present simple. The second tense is future simple. Future simple because we see will, present simple because we see verb 1 or verb es or es, and so on and so forth. Now let's see another example of the second conditional sentence. This condition is unreal, absolutely unreal for this moment. Unreal, but anyway, it is about the future. Let's keep the same example as in the first. If the weather was sunny, we would have a picnic. If we turn back to the first example, it can be clearly seen that in the first is, the weather is sunny. In the second case, the weather was sunny. In the first condition, we will have a picnic. In the second one, we would have a picnic. So, what tenses are these? Oops. If plus subject, this is subject, plus Was, what is it? This is verb form 2. Verb form 2, or if it is a regular verb, we take ed ending. The second part, in the main clause, also there is subject plus auxiliary verb would, and after that verb 0, yeah? Because have it's the verb 0. Now, which tense is it? It's obvious that this is past simple. Past simple. According to this verb form, yeah? And in the second part, we can see would plus verb 0. This is future in the past. Future in the past. So in the first clause, in the first case, in the first condition, it was present simple plus future simple. In the second conditional sentence, past simple plus future in the past. Let's take one more example. Let it be about my job. So I have a job and I can get the salary. So I try to make the sentence like this. If, let it be so, if I get the salary tomorrow, I will buy a dress. It's real for me because I work. That's why this is first condition. It's real for me now. Now let's take the second conditional and remake the same sentence into this, according to this structure. And I say, if I got the salary, I would buy a dress. In this case, I imagine that I don't have a job and I dream about the dress that I don't have. So this is imaginary sentence because I don't have a job in the second sentence. In the first case, I have a job, it's real for me. In the second case, I don't have a job, it's unreal for me. This is the main difference. Unreal, unreal. Thank you for your attention.